Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cocktails at home with vodka. First, gather your essential bar tools like a shaker, jigger, and strainer. Next, select a good quality vodka. It truly makes a difference in the final taste. Always prioritize fresh ingredients, especially citrus juices and aromatic herbs, to brighten your drinks. Understanding these basics will set you up for success in crafting delicious homemade cocktails. Let's explore some timeless vodka cocktails. The refreshing Moscow Mule is simple. Combine vodka, ginger beer, and a squeeze of fresh lime in a copper mug. For a sophisticated vodka martini, mix 2 1/2 ounces of vodka with 1/2 ounce of dry vermouth, stirred, not shaken. And don't forget the vibrant Cosmopolitan, a delightful blend of vodka, cranberry, lime, and triple sec. These classics are perfect starting points. Now, let's get creative and craft your own signature vodka cocktails. Don't be afraid to experiment with various fruit juices, from pineapple to grapefruit, and explore different flavored syrups. Consider infusing your vodka with fresh fruits like berries or spices, such as vanilla beans, for a unique base. Finally, elevate your presentation with thoughtful garnishes like a lemon twist or a sprig of mint. To truly master your home bartending, remember these pro tips. Always chill your glasses beforehand. This keeps your cocktails colder for longer, enhancing the drinking experience. Opt for larger ice cubes in your shaker and serving glass, as they melt slower, preventing your drink from becoming watered down too quickly. For more fantastic deals and resources, including a link to a great new e-reader, be sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.